Are you looking for someone who can realize the idea within a set budget? Fitmold can help. Fitmold is your one-stop shop for manufacturing on demand. We have 20 years experience on contract manufacturing for plastic part in different industries. Fitmold can help on refine your part design and validate it. We can not only evaluate the manufacturing cost, but also make prototypes to help you to test it. Good mold makes good product. Fitmold can make 2D blueprinting and 3D solid tooling model. All the tooling parts will be CNC machined and be assembled and fit right. Samples and mold can be shipped fast to your factory. You can start mass production for your order. Welcome to contact us via sales@fitmold.com. You'll get fast respond, instant quotes and our plastic engineering professional services consulting.